Hello, I'm Michael Kirichenko. You're watching SkyWay News, where we report on the developments and implementation of breakthrough transport technologies. Everything is going on according to plan at the construction sites of SkyWay facilities in the United Arab Emirates and Belarus. So today, we will introduce to you more relevant events in the creation of Unitsky's train transport. You will get to know about the ongoing work on the development of foreign economic relations of SkyWay Technology Developer Company and the latest achievements in the production of rolling stock. And now more details about all this. Our project has come close to the stage of commercial implementation. So SkyWay Technologies Company is consistently developing its production facilities. Last month, a new building was commissioned, and construction of another workshop in the Free Economic Zone Minsk is also underway. But this is not sufficient for achieving the goals set out. It is still necessary to ensure uninterrupted supply of raw materials and component parts needed for the transition to mass production. The establishment of contractual relations with world leaders in the relevant industries has never stopped. This week, 2 foreign delegations have visited Eco-Technopark and their rolling stock production facility in Shabani, having concluded both business meetings with discussions on technical issues in Minsk office of the company developer of stream transport with the top management of our organization. As we have already reported, on the 8th of October, a delegation of the Belgian company Becart visited us. It is a major manufacturer of steel wire and metal products with special coating. Today, the metal cord is used in every third car tire. Becart has branches in 45 countries around the world. This international giant employs 29,000 people, and their sales volume amounted to 5.1 billion euros in 2018. A delegation of the manufacturer of polyether ketone, or PEEK, Junhua China PEEK, visited SkyWay Technologies Company on the 10th of October by the same route and with the same agenda to analyze all the nuances in using modern polymers in our activities. Polyether ketone is a crystallizing polymer material with high thermal and mechanical properties, characterized by the fact that it is not combustible, can withstand long-term operation at temperatures from -40 to +260 degrees Celsius, combines viscosity at low temperatures with high temperature resistance, and is an excellent electrical insulator. The development of new and modernization of old areas continue at the production facility in Shabani. The option of upgrading the hydraulic system of the high-speed Unibus U4 362 to improve its maintainability, reduce production costs, compactness and ease of maintenance is in process of engineering study. New functions are being added. The algorithm of work according to the results of testing a self-propelled chassis is being corrected. We have synthesized the Kalman filter, a powerful data filtering instrument. It is a sequential recursive algorithm that uses the model of an accepted dynamic system to obtain an estimate that can be substantially adjusted by analyzing each new sample of measurements in a time sequence. This algorithm finds application in the management of many complex dynamic systems, for example, continuous production processes, aircraft, ships, and spacecraft. In the context of the tasks in creating SkyWay vehicles, the Kalman filter integrates measurements from various sensors of speed, position, and acceleration. We obtain filtered data on the condition of the vehicle, speed, acceleration, position, at the output from several different sources at the input. The algorithm can be used to integrate measurements from any sensors after bringing them to the international system of units. As you already know from past news releases, today the company's activities aimed at the development of innovative vehicles have reached a stage where the issues of standardization and certification are particularly relevant. It is obvious that the process is quite labor-intensive and important. It requires special attention and joint efforts. Now our common task is to analyze all the certification directives, compare the solutions and system needs for the vehicle with them. To achieve this goal, we have selected all the requirements for a clause-by-clause analysis that allows to see a complete picture of implementing certain demands, which will help substantiate our decisions for the certification body. Such is our traditional brief report on the progress in the development of SkyWay technology over the past week. Follow the updates of the official SkyWay websites, sign up to our SkyWay YouTube channel, support our projects, and you will always be able to substantiate your decisions. Build SkyWay, save the planet.